Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Expobar espresso machine, and we can see we have 1.2 bar pressure here. Kind of goes between 1.3 and 1.2, 1.1, and the customer complained that the temperature was too low on the espresso machine, so we turned it up. And now the water coming out of the group head is much more stable and hot throughout the shot. So let's go ahead and test the machine. You can see we have 9 bar pressure, 1.4. You know, on a lot of machines, 1.4 would be too hot, but for whatever reason, on this, this is a newer model of the Expobar, and for whatever reason, on this model of the Expobar, we just had to go hotter to get the group head hot enough. It's interesting. I don't know why it's different like that, but it is. And also, it's interesting too that this is a heat exchanger machine, and when you let the machine sit for a while, the water coming out is not like super hot like you would expect from other heat exchanger machines, since they share the steam boiler. So just some things that we noticed when we were testing the machine. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Oh yeah, let's just check the hot water and steam. Hot water. And thanks for watching.